Hi guys, welcome to Honest, Straightforward Reviews, where you get unbiased and unfunded reviews. Today we are looking at the AirPods Pro. Let's get into the pros. Surprisingly, it sits well in the ears without being flimsy as the AirPods originals. Exceptional noise cancelling for such a small device, doesn't give you a headache after using it for a while. Transparency mode lets you hear all your surrounding noise. Sound is good, but not the best. Bass is really good as well. Cheap as chips to replace the ear tips. Battery life is not bad. I like the shortened ends, something I hated about the AirPods. Case has wireless charging. Let's get into the cons. Completely useless to answer calls on. Even in a quiet room, nobody could hear me on the other side properly. Criminal how Apple keeps increasing the price of every product just by changing the name a little bit and the product a little bit, by calling it a Pro here, a Max there, Plus there. Absolutely not worth it to buy this just because of the price tag. Functionality reduces with use of non-Apple devices. The battery can't be replaced once they get old. As new, it'll work for about 4.5 hours. In a few years time, they'll be down to 2. Still not a fan of the design. It looks stupid in my opinion. Only to function, press and hold stem function only activates Siri and toggles noise cancelling on and off. I feel like there's no skipping forward, backwards, pausing and things like that. That's a down for me. Time to move on to USB-C maybe. Verdict: not the best in class noise cancelling, nor is it the best in sound department. I would give them a miss and get the Sony WH-1000XM3 any day, as they have better sound, better battery life and noise cancelling. Thanks for watching, guys. Alright guys, that's it from me for today. Let me know what you think about my video in the comments, and if you want to support my work and you like to see more videos, please do subscribe and give me thumbs up. Hope you guys have a great day. Thanks.